Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be a 90,000 gaming PC build, and let me just go ahead and take you through all the parts and their pricing before I go ahead and build this PC for you. All the prices mentioned in this video would be today's price, so do go ahead and check the link in the description box below. I will also be sharing the Amazon price if in case you want to purchase from Amazon or compare the price from Amazon. The links would be in the description box below for our website and Amazon both. So let me just go ahead and take you through the parts. So starting with the case, recently I have made a video for this MSI case. If in case you haven't checked it, I'll share the link in the description for this dedicated video for this case. This is MSI MagForge 100 and this is available for 4,450 rupees. So this is a cabinet which has really good airflow. Go ahead and check the link in the description for a dedicated video for this case. So we have got the processor, which is Ryzen 5 3600. The Ryzen 5 3600 comes with a 6-core and 12 thread, available for 15,550 rupees. This is a great processor which AMD has got. For the motherboard, we have got MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. This is available for 9,850 rupees. You can also go for a secondary option, which is MSI B450 Carbon AC, which has a Bluetooth Wi-Fi inbuilt, but customer has selected Tomahawk Max. We're gonna add a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to it. So this is the motherboard which we're gonna use for this build. For RAM, we have got G.Skill Trident Z. This is 3200 MHz 8x2. This is a really sweet RAM, has been rated best among all manufacturers. So yeah, this is available for 9,800 rupees, and that is a pair of RAM 8x2. So make sure to check the latest price. There are links in the description box below. I am mentioning today's price. In future, the price may go up or may go down. So this is what we have for the RAM. For SSD, we have got Crucial MX500. This is 500 GB, available for 5,300 rupees. By the way, this is 2.5 inches. You can also get the M.2 version for similar price, but the speed would remain same. So this is what we're going to use for this PC. For power supply, this is Corsair VS650. This is available for 4,100 rupees, and this is white series, but I recommend you to get the bronze one if in case your budget allows. For this build, we're going to use the white version 650 for 4,100 rupees. That would be sufficient for this build. And for the graphic card, we have got Zotac Gaming AMP Edition. This is 2060 Super. I like the AMP Edition very much, Zotac. I personally recommend the AMP Edition from Zotac. If in case you're planning to buy a GPU from Zotac or any other brand, just try to look for the AMP or AMP Extreme. That is my favorite model, which is AMP Edition. So yeah, this is available for 38,000 rupees, 2060 Super and AMP Edition from Zotac. This is what we're gonna use for this build. For additional storage, we have got WD 1TB Blue. This is 7200 RPM, available for 2,850 rupees. This is what we're going to use for additional storage in this PC. As mentioned earlier, we're going to use a Wi-Fi dongle and a Bluetooth dongle with this build. If in case you're not going with the MSI B450 Carbon Pro AC, then you don't have the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option in Tomahawk. So the Tomahawk, we need a dedicated Wi-Fi as per the requirement of customer, and a Bluetooth dongle. This will cost you 500 rupees and the Bluetooth will cost you 550 rupees. By the way, this is a branded dongle which from TP-Link. It works perfectly well because I'm using both of them for my personal use. This is strongly recommended if in case you don't have a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your motherboard. So yeah, this is what we have. Alright, that's about the component for this build. So let's just go ahead and build it. This is for 90,000 rupees, and this is one of my favorite builds which I have made. Just accept the power supply. Go for the bronze or gold, that makes sense. By the way, even the white series is awesome. So let's just go ahead and build it. CPU fan comes pre-applied thermal paste, you don't have to add it additionally. Alright guys, we are done with the PC build, and you know what, I have used this PC for streaming last night. If in case you have not checked it, go to our channel and check the live stream of Battlefield 5 using this PC. It was performing absolutely fine. I have streamed using OBS, which is a CPU intensive software, and it was performing quite over my expectation. Also, the AMP Extreme did absolutely great job to keep the GPU cool, on top of that to get great performance. And also I tried doing 4K gaming on my 65-inch 4K LED TV, and that was performing absolutely fine. So thumbs up for this build, because it was able to do stream at very good quality without any lag and using that OBS software. But the capture card would make more sense if in case you are into pure streaming. And thumbs up for 2060 Super. That is a superb card, as you can see. If in case you have not checked that live stream, just go ahead and check the live stream, and that's wonderful. As mentioned, all the prices are mentioned in the description box below, the links to check the latest price. The prices which I have mentioned would be today's price, so it may go up in future, it may go down. To check the latest price, just check the link in the description box below, and Amazon links are also available. I hope you have enjoyed the live stream and this PC build. Do let me know in the comment box if in case you have any question, and thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. Also follow us on Instagram, because we have already posted about this on Instagram. For quick update, Instagram is a live page, just follow. The links are given in the description for that as well. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.